Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to make a TikTok video using a customized emoji like this. So before you do that, you have to make sure that you create your own emoji. You have to have, I think, at least an iPhone X and above. I'm not really sure if this one works in Android phones, but so far that's the only thing I know. And you have to create a message. Also, my own messages so nobody's gonna get confused why I'm doing it. Yeah, well, that's out of topic. So to create your own emoji, you have to make sure you click this monkey here, and then I have few emojis made already, which I could add another one. And you can pick whatever colors of skin you want. Doesn't matter, you want blue if you want to be like alien. And let's say I want this color because that's my skin tone myself, and then I'll just have to pick whatever hairstyle you want. Anyway, mine I like to have, let's try to have this kind of hair, and then I want let's try a red one, and yeah, darker. Okay, so let's try this here, and then we'll go to that. So here doesn't matter, whatever you want, if you want to have older or, and then let's pick, I'm just gonna pick some random stuff. Let's see this. Yeah, that'll be good. And then you can pick your eyes as well. I want to have an Asian eyes like this. Yeah, I think that's Asian eye, and I want to have dark. Yeah, and then you can pick your brows, and then let's try that. And then for my nose, you can pick whatever color, and then because our hair is kind of red, so let's pick almost the same color as our. And then I can pick whatever, like that's, I want to have a small nose. And then because I like that one, looks so sexy, and I think that's better. Yeah, so we'll pick that. There's a lot of colors that you want, so I like this color, so but it's gonna be depending on you. And then of course you can pick first thing also, I want to have this, and then it doesn't matter what color you want. I want red kiss, so they all match with my lipstick and my hair. And then of course you can pick whatever facial hair you want. Because we're choosing a girl one, we don't have to make anything there. And then for the eyewear, you could wear glasses if you want. Let's pick this one. Okay, so we're done. We're pretty much done here. So then if we want to take a picture, you just have to make sure, and then click the monkey. And then yeah, you can edit everything here if you want, whatever color. If you want to do that, then you can send it to yourself. And also if you want to take video out of it, you have to click video, of course, and then click the monkey again, and then whatever emoji you like for example, I like this, the ones we just created, or we can have this. And then you'll just have to click video, and then 3, 2, 1. Mwah. Yeah, so you'll basically you just have to memorize the song. And then so if you're done, you just have to click done. And then of course if you want to have just the regular one, you could just leave it as it is, and then or you could This is my favorite one, so let's just say like that. And you can always add texts to it if you want, and then you can send it to yourself. And then of course you have to go to TikTok, and then let's say I want to have that music again, this music, and then you just have to click here, and then instead of you faking video, you can just pick that, and let's pick this. And then let's say if they will match to our song, I just have to click. Okay, I don't like that, so we'll just have to make sure that it's in right one. You can edit your video, cut like that. Okay, you can always keep coming back here and cut it until it's perfect. Yeah, that will do. And then you can erase that, the background video, the audio, sorry, and it should be good. And then you can add, when you're posting it, you can say whatever you want, and in hashtag, and then you can tag your friends you want, and then you're pretty much done to it. And you can save it for later also if you want. That's all. If you have any questions, let me know. Happy TikTok!